A very good morning to all my dear little children. May this morning offer you new hope for life. May you all be happy and enjoy every moment of your life. Once again, I wish you all a great and pleasant morning. My dear children, welcome back to the last class of our online teaching session for the year 2020-21. I hope that all of you have been watching and enjoying this English online classes and giving your attendance. Children, our online classes was conducted during the month of April from 16th to 29th, and during this period we have completed 3 lessons. Lesson number 1, back to school. Lesson 2, where are my glasses? And lesson 3, sharing is fun. Children, I hope that you all have watched these videos. But if you have missed any, you can watch these videos till 10th of June in our school website. Now, my dear children, after these online classes, how I'll come to know that you people have understood the lessons? Well, to know this, I am giving you some assignment to be completed by you during your vacations. So, dear children, kindly sit down at your home and complete your work. This English assignment must be done in your new English copy for class 2. Your copies should be covered beautifully. And don't forget to write your names and class. Children, this assignment work should be submitted after the reopening of the school. But before giving the assignment, let us revise the 3 lessons which we have studied during our online classes. Let's start the summary of very first lesson. Lesson number 1, back to school. This story is about a little girl named Tara. It is the beginning of the new school term. She is happy because she is going to meet all her friends at school. Tara's parents gave her a new school bag, a new water bottle, a pencil box, and a new pair of shoes. Tara is very happy by getting all the new things for her new school term. Tara is ready to go to school. She has 2 friends. They are Anu and Zeba. As they were talking about their holidays, Tara told about attending a summer camp. Then the school bell rang and the children went to their classes. Then the new school term has begun. Moral of this lesson is always be happy with what we have. Lesson number 2, where are my glasses? This story is about a beautiful Sunday morning. Jay and Nimi are at the dining table. Mrs. Sen is serving breakfast. Mr. Sen is watering the plants in the garden. Grandfather is looking for his glasses. Then Jay said maybe his glasses are on the table. Mrs. Sen said maybe the glasses are on the dressing table. Mr. Sen said maybe on the bed. Nimi said maybe under your pillow. After that, Grandpa went to his room to look for his glasses, but he couldn't find his glasses. All were searching. Suddenly, Jay told to everyone to look at Grandpa's face. Grandpa's glasses are on his nose. Now, Grandpa is very happy. Moral of this lesson is we should always help each other. Lesson number 3, Sharing is fun. This lesson is about class 2 students going for a picnic to the zoo. They were all going by bus with their teacher, Mrs. Renu Sharma. All the children were very happy. They reached the zoo by 10 o'clock. The teacher bought the entry tickets. There they saw different kinds of animals and birds like monkeys, chimpanzee, tigers, peacocks. After this, all the children opened their lunch boxes as they were hungry. Amar brought parathas. The teacher has brought a big fruit cake for all the children. Akash forgot to bring his lunch box. He was very sad. Then all the children shared their food with Akash. After that, they played games, had ride in the toy train. They all laughed, sang, and danced together. All the children were very happy, but they have to return, and the fun came to an end. Moral of this lesson is helping others and sharing with others gives ultimate happiness. So, dear children, these are the lessons which we have done in our online classes. Let's move towards our English assignment. The first question is read and learn the new words given in the box. My dear children, here some words are given in the colorful boxes. These words you have already heard in your online classes. Children, you must read and learn these words thoroughly and attentively. From the lesson 1, back to school, the new words are holidays, drawing, special, friends, begun, prayer. From lesson 2, where are my glasses? New words are pleasant, glasses, laughing, worried, pillow, mirror. From lesson 3, sharing is fun. New words are clapping, hungry, share, lovely, lunch, quick. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. These questions are related to your lessons. Children, these questions are not new for you. You have already learned to do these questions in class 1. What you have to do? You must read each and every question attentively and choose the correct answer from the given options and do it correctly in your English copy. The first one I'll do for you. See, number 1, it is the beginning of a option A, new year. Option B, new month. Option C, new school term. So, the correct answer is option C, new school term. So, you have to tick on C and in the circle given, you have to write C. Likewise, do the other question. Number 2, Tara is happy because A, it is her birthday. B, she is going to meet her friends. C, she is going out. 3. Grandfather is looking for his A, pen, B, shoes, C, glasses. Number 4. Grandpa looks A, worried, B, happy, C, serious. 5. The children are going to A park, B, the zoo, C, a cinema. 6. The teacher buys A, the entry tickets, B, chips, C, cool drinks. Question number 3. Listen to the text carefully, then say whether the following statements are true or false. My dear children, you must read each and every statement carefully, which relates with these three lessons. Back to school, where are my glasses? And sharing is fun. Find out the wrong and correct statement, and for the wrong statement, write false, and for the correct statement, write true. The first one I'll do for you. Number 1, Tara will be in class 2. We have already learned in lesson number 1, back to school, that Tara is going to be in class 2. So the first correct statement is correct. So write true in this bracket. Do the rest questions same. Number 2, Tara is getting ready to go to school. 3, Grandpa wants to read the newspaper. 4, Grandpa's glasses are on the table. 5, the children of class 1 are going to the zoo. 6, the teacher is not going with the children. Now question number 4, write the opposites of the following words. In this question, some words are given in the colorful balls. You have to write the opposites of these words. For example, opposite of good is bad. Opposite of slow is fast. Opposite of day is night. Here the first word is new. So opposite of new is old. Likewise, do the other question. Small, happy, close. Now the last question is question number 5. Find out the new words from the lessons 1, 2, 3. Children, this question is little bit new for you. What you have to do, you have to read the lessons and find out the words which are starting from the letters given in the question. As the first one is done for you. First letter is D. You have to search the word starting from D in the lesson 1, like drawing. Then from lesson 2, we got dressing table. And from lesson 3, we got dance. Likewise, search for the words starting from the letters S, M, P, W, N, and H in these three lessons. So, my dear little children, these are some assignment for your summer vacation. Kindly do this work carefully with neat, clean, and beautiful handwriting in your new English copy for class 2. Once again, thank you so much for being with us during all these online classes, and I hope that you people have benefited from it. All the best, dear children, and enjoy your vacation. Love you all. At last, I have some message for our respected dear parents. Dear parents, hope your ward had taken benefit of the online classes held in April, as this was the first time there were some ups and downs. We regret for the same. We are sorry for the inconvenience, if any. For the benefit and welfare of our dear students, these videos will be available in the school website till 10th of June. You can cover up the loss occurred or classes you have missed for any day. It's a humble request to kindly ask your child to watch the videos through the school website, because this will assign attendance to your child. We are extremely thankful for your kind cooperation and expect the same in future too. Stay home, stay safe. Regards, English teacher. Thank you.